our code. Okay. So now, Deepthi, can you create a small code? Yeah. If you
Actually, I
Mm.
yesterday I
Yes.
just print
Yes.
CISO print. 1 second, I'm
Is it working?
I'm just getting the build success while I'm giving
Yes.
compile as a goal. While I'm giving clean as a goal, then it is giving me as a success, build success.
Okay. Okay. So now what we will do is we will integrate TestNG with Maven. So for that, what you have to do is go to that SRC test Java, right click. No, no. Sorry, inside the package.
Okay.
Yeah. Right click on the package. New. Go to others. We're not using test JUnit, so we don't want to go for JUnit. You can go for TestNG. Little bit come down, please. TestNG. Little bit.
Scroll down.
TestNG class.
TestNG. Yes. If you want to have all the annotations, you can do it. Else you can just give finish.
Okay.
This will
Shall I
defaultly
use?
add all the.
Okay.
As
Shall I
of
use
now,
any
not required.
annotation? Not
No
required.
need. You just give finish.
Just finish. Okay.
Now, this is the default thing which you are getting from the TestNG. Okay, within the Maven this thing project. Now write some statement between line number 7 and 8.
Okay.
Now this is yours. Any statement. Hello, how are you? Anything. Welcome, whatever you want. Just we want to see whether it is displaying or not.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is your, what is this?
Just hello world.
This is your source code. Okay.
Oh, yes.
Now
Yes.
I want to have this .java. See, we have stored with .java, new test .java, right? So this .java, I have to convert it to the machine readable language. That is the .class file. And who will help for converting these things?
Compiler.
Compiler. Exactly.
Compiler.
So now I don't want to waste my time in having validation, compile, test. Okay. What I will do is directly I'll go to the package. I want the jar files of this source code so that I can share it with my friends. For example, I'm just giving a small line. Okay. In this, suppose you're having any logical program or calculate or whatever you have done, or suppose opening a browser, anything. So this I want to share it with my friend in the format of jar files. So what can I do is again go to the this one, right click, run as. You can give Maven build.
Compile.
Now what goal you have to give is you have to give package. PACKAG, because I don't want to waste my time for all those compiles, test and other.
Just shall I run it, Aarti?
Run. Have you checked your project? The same Maven project, right? So it is, you can see it is compiled. It has started my test. It has executed my test and it has given me hello world. Okay. You can see from the top. So build is success, no errors. Can you go little top, please? It has validated. You can see compile, copying zeros of source from. So this is compiled, validated.
Okay, if we use package,
tested.
then we will get as a test
Yes.
run or failures.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yesterday
all
I
the
didn't get this.
previous phases will be executed.
See, not only that, even if you give test also, you will get this. But what will happen is our jar files will not be generated. Here you can see jar 3.3.0 default -jar @Maven project with your project name. So your jar file is created with your project name. Maven project 1, it should be. Can you see in the line number building jar, C user, some name is there, ready, Eclipse work in this location. Okay, under target folder with your this thing project name with the snapshot.jar is created. Okay, can you go to the same location in local? Go manually now. Go to file manager.
The file manager.
Okay. Acha.
As we have given package, our jar files is created. If we don't give package, if we give the previous step, only our test will be executed. We will get only hello world. File manager, can you open Deepthi? Your local in your
Yes, I
local.
open.
Okay,
This
It was not
piece.
saving. Here are the result of running class demo. No need to check.
sorry.
Beside the console, there is a result of running
For that,
class
we will
demo.
come later. We will come later. Results, that is test ng results. For us, as of now, if you want to check that, you can go and check it. Else, this is enough because we are going to see the jar files are created or not. That's it.
Okay.
So that I can share it with my friends. I can deploy or I can install it.
Okay.
Install will install that particular jar into your local machine. Deploy, it will be deployed or installed into apart from a local, that is central. Okay, worldwide. Wherever you want to give, you can give your this jar files by using the deploy Maven cycle, life cycle. Are you checking whether you have got the jar files or not? Please check once.
I'm using this folder of the repositories.
Deepti,
Okay,
open file
has
manager.
anyone tried this?
Deepti,
Huh?
file manager open చేయొచ్చు.
Chesa Lakshmi.
Not
మా
here, not here.
రావట్లేదు క్లిక్ కాను.
You
In
have
which
that
drive?
drives, right? You have C drive, D drive, B
Yes,
drive.
I opened
Hmm.
already C drive, Aarti. In C drive,
But
I am
it's
getting this
not
folder.
visible.
Eclipse only it is working.
Acha, okay. You can't able to see. Sure, sorry. Okay. 1 second.
Now, whatever life cycle we have done, the same thing you can do through command line also. Okay, that you can take as a task and you
Now,
can
can you able to see
do
Aarti?
it. Yes.
Okay.
Go to users.
I'm going to users. Okay, just
Yeah.
dot
Where
M to
is
4.
no? This is why we need .m2.
Eclipse
Then
workshop. Eclipse
yes,
workspace.
yes.
And
Maven
here,
project.
Which is your
Maven
project?
Maven
One.
project.
One
Yes.
was, I guess.
Form.xml.
It was only Maven project, huh?
Hi.
Okay, okay. No, not here.
Target folder.
This is the dependencies.
Target folder.
Target folder.
Now you can see your jar file, executable jar files is created. Maven project with your project name and snapshot with the version
This one, Aarti?
0.0.1. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. If you give only test, this will not be. One second.
That means what we are going to execute there, we will find here as a jar files in this folder. Can I see Aarti every time as a local?
Sorry. Yeah. Yes, Deepti.
That means what program we are going to execute in the main, we are going to find this as a jar file in this folder.
No, if you use package, whatever code you are having, you can find it here. If you just give test or verify or whatever goal you give, you don't
We
want
can't
to have
find it.
Yes.
Just
Okay.
we will, if we give package, then it will convert into jar files. We can find here
Yes.
as a okay.
Suppose you want to give it to someone else. At that time, you can use this life cycle, this package,
Okay.
not life cycle, this step in your life cycle. Suppose you don't want to do anything. I just want to give the test. I want to execute only my test cases and I want to just analyze it. You can go for test verify. Okay. Right. So with this, I think so we have done with all the things. You'll try with install and deploy. Not only with that, we are having this command line also. Okay. Right. So command lines, MB and MVN commands and all those things. The same thing you can have it with the command line. Okay. You know how to do in command line, I think so.
I'm not sure, Aarti. Actually, we
Not
must check.
sure, Aarti.
It's
Even
easy. So whatever we are doing now, okay, this same thing you can do in the command line, like MVN clean. It will clean your project. MVN install, MVN verify, all these things.
Okay, without giving as a goal, we can go
Don't use
directly to the
Eclipse. Don't use Eclipse. This is GUI, which this is a
command.
client which we are using. In
Yeah.
your command line where your project is stored. Now, for example, C something drive, C users is there, right? So over there, you can have the command line or things, all these things, all the commands of build life cycle. Okay. It's very easy.
Yeah.
Whatever you're doing in Eclipse, the same thing you're going to do with a command line. That's it.
Okay.
Is it
Okay.
confusing? No, right?
Actually, if we try it once we will get it out there.
Okay, no issues. But that is not like that is out of scope, because we are using Eclipse. So we are trying everything in that. But for your practice, I told to have in a command line as well. Suppose if you don't have any IDE, suppose you're going to some organization where they don't use any IDE, they use only command line, means we have to have an idea of that also.
Okay, in case
No
of
issues.
no
You,
Eclipse, we can use this command lines.
yeah, but nowadays every IDE, not only Eclipse, we are using IntelliJ, Visual Studio, everything we are using, right? So that is why we don't have the practice of having command line. But something like Linux or Unix, I think so, they will be having mainly for command lines or things only, right? Anyways, no issues. Okay, so we have seen the life cycle now. We have seen all the 3 stages of life cycle. So I hope you got an idea of why we are using each life cycle, why we are using compile, why we are using test, why we are using package, validation, and install and deploy. Install and deploy is as of now not needed. But if you want, you can try it the same way. In Maven Lifecycle, you can keep it as install and see how it is installing into your local machine. Okay.
Aarti, and what about this pre-clean and post-clean? What does that do?
Pre-clean, before starting your
Aarti,
project, it will
uh,
clean everything.
uh,
Okay.
Aarti,
After,
am I audible to you, Aarti?
yes.
Aarti, I have tried that clean option.
Mhm.
After clean, the target test case is not, unable to run again, Aarti. What is the purpose of using that clean, Aarti? If the target, if the target test case we didn't run again, what is the purpose?
See, clean in general, we used to clean everything, right? Before that, now Deepthi has executed multiple times this test cases. So these all results will be in my target folder, right? So without clean, if I execute again now, the same previous data and this data will also be present there. So I
Yeah,
don't
again,
want
it
all
will
those
execute
data.
multiple times.
Yes. In order to
Mhm.
avoid all the confusion, because there
Okay.
might be some errors, we might have faced some error. Because of that also, this might not run. Okay.
Okay.
The second, yeah.
Sorry to interrupt, Aditi.
Mm.
Aarti. Actually, after cleaning also, that
Mm.
in the file, maybe it will be there, no? That program
No,
has to be
if
there, no?
you program will be there, your source code or your dot class files will be there. Sorry, your dot class files will be not there. It will be deleted.
Yeah. Yes,
It will
yes.
be deleted. Okay.
Yes, I have tried that one.
Mm.
That's why I'm asking.
Okay. So whenever you clean something, your dot
Mm.
class files will be deleted. You have to execute once again freshly.
Okay.
Then again, the source will be compiled and dot class file, you can see it in the target folder.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
this is the concept of clean. Like for example, if you don't clean
Okay.
now, previously you might have faced, this is one line code we can identify easily. But if we have a lot of codes, lot of things, we will confuse, we'll be getting where we receive this error. We don't know. So whenever you do any
Mhm.
major modifications or minor, you can clean your project, you can update your project, and you can execute by using test command.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so this is what the process we always used to follow when we use Maven.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so this is the usage of goals. We are setting some goals to our project. So Maven will give us a project structure, as I have told you, like SRC main
Yes.
Java, SRC main resource. So this is nowhere we will get. We will get, but we have to create it manually.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay,
But
okay.
this Maven is
Now
like a
got it.
ready-made.
Yeah, now got
Hmm.
it, Aarti. If you use the option as a clean,
Yes.
even though it is not present in the test folder, it may be there in the main Java folder. If you want to run again, we can copy the same thing in this, and then we have to run again. Na?
Which you want to copy? Why you
Uh,
want to copy?
if the test case, I mean, whatever there in the Java, I mean, main Java, that program has used as a test, I mean, as a goal as a test clean RT. If that,
Okay.
if that clean has happened, uh, that won't be there in then SRC test folder, no? If you want to run again we have to get it from the Java folder. Don't
No,
know,
I'm
Aarti.
not getting. Wait, wait.
Yeah. Okay.
See.
Okay. Uh,
Now
yes.
Deepti has
Tell me.
executed multiple times, right? Now she encountered some problem. She has fixed that. Okay. Now what happens is,
Actually, my doubt. I will ask Deepti to run. I mean, to run this and show it to you, Aarti. 1 minute.
okay,
1 minute. Ah. Uh,
Shall I run it,
ah.
Deepika?
No, run as an test clean.
Okay.
Maven clean. Maven clean. Yeah. Mm. After this again, uh, just run as an a test ng folder like that. There it has getting an option, no run option. You can just click on that one.
Okay, run. Okay. I understood. This one.
It is showing like this, Sarthi. I mean, it is showing an error. I'm getting the doubt that where this test case, and I mean, this particular test case gone after
no, why
cleaning.
are you running as a test ng
Test
test?
is.
We are using Maven. We can have goals and we can set the goals and we can execute, right? If you want to run test
Okay.
ng test means you have to run it as test ng test.
Okay.
Like
Okay. Run it
Right
as
all
click,
the
a test
classes,
NG test. I mean,
right
test
click.
NG test. Deepti, run it
Right
again.
click.
Aarti, like all the classes are combined and
Seventh
form a
one.
project, right, Aarti?
Hmm?
Okay.
All the classes are combined and form a project, right, Aarti?
Yes, yes.
We can't execute
Failed to
individual
load log
classes.
s4j.m. 1 second.
No, Mohana, we can with Maven test command. We can do it.
No, no. This is integrated with Maven. This test ng is integrated with Maven. Okay. Can you go to demo.java?
Okay.
Execute this. This is, I
Some
think so, we
error.
have not.
Okay. I think
Right
I'm
click,
getting
execute it.
some error. Some error here. Okay.
It's okay,
Test and
execute it.
test. Uh, somewhere here. Yesterday I forgot to.
Some
I
forged
have
logs.
yes. I have observed this one, Aarti. If you use an option as a clean, whatever the I mean, whatever the code, I mean, whatever the test classes we are having in the test folder, it won't work again after
No, no, no.
using that
That is not
option.
the case. No, no. Something
That
is
is
wrong
not.
here. It should not be the case.
Okay.
Lightning
Go again
goes.
to new test once again.
Okay.
Okay, right click. Run as.
Test and test आते हैं or else.
No, no, no. Maven clean. Okay, right click. Right click. Maven. Run as. Maven test.
Aarti, I tried both the ways just now. It worked.
Right test.
No.
Right test.
Oh, sorry. Directly I'm going to Maven
Hmm.
test.
So as a Maven, it is working. But what you were trying to say, Deepika? How
Actually, I
did you
think
execute
she's
it?
asking here it is getting success. Why we are getting some error in the test engine test? That's
Yeah.
right,
Yes.
No, I'm
Yes.
Deepika?
asking how she executed.
No, no, same. Now Deepti has, done no.
We are getting
Whatever
some
the
exception in test
same
engine
procedure.
test now.
Yes,
The
whatever the
same
same
procedure we
procedure.
are here we are
Uh,
getting success. Why we are getting as exception in while we are running as a test engine test Aarti?
After using the clean option,
Mm-hmm.
if you run again the test ng test, it won't get it again. Why? What is the reason for that? I'm asking Aarti.
See, because Maven is integrated with TestNG now. That is why it will accept only Maven commands. There, if you try to use
Okay,
TestNG, means
okay,
how it will work? It will not
okay.
work, right?
After
Mm.
execution, it won't work again.
Yes, because TestNG is different, Maven is different.
Uh,
For
We
another,
can't. Mm.
if we do another, if we copy another class, I mean, here I have taken Orange HRM Aarti. If we take another class as, and I will do it as a test here, Maven test, will it get same as exception or will it success, Aarti?
Okay, I don't know. Just right click, right click,
Here,
anywhere.
okay.
Run as, go to configuration, run configuration. Mm. Here you select some name, give some demo one or something. Anything, demo one. Wait, demo one is already there.
Yes,
You have
again,
to select
then
Maven one, Maven project. Right, give some new.
another another one.
No, or the top you have type filter demo is there, right? Otherwise, wait. In the project, you give browse here, right hand side, browser.
Here, Aarti.
No. We have name demo one, test arguments, class path, JRE, source, environment. In that pop-up, in the pop-up, run configuration pop-up. Dipti.
DP at the near down to the project DP test arguments as they know
There,
somewhat
In the pop-up dialog
site
box.
somewhat
Right
okay.
side, right
Browse.
side, right side,
practice
right side,
Yes, yes.
right side.
after the practice
Practice, okay. Okay. Here, browser.
browse
Yes.
that one.
Come to your project. Which is your
Maven,
project? So we
Maven
don't
project.
have TestNG project with you. How it will execute? Maven project, right? That is your, okay, click that. Give OK.
Apply,
Apply,
run.
run. Cannot find class. So class path is not there. testng.demo1. testng.demo1. This is, what is this? What is your class name? Demo, huh?
This is demo, just the demo.
Okay, again, do once. Can you try once? Right click, run as. So if you want to run the testng test, you have to do in this way. Run configuration. 1 second. Oh, can you create a new name? Any new name? But that's not the case. Methods, group, package status. Can you go to arguments once? Okay, no need. Class path. GRE, JDK 22, Maven dependencies. GRE. Okay, you're using 22, JDK 22. Okay. Give alternate GRE. Okay, now apply and run once again. Okay, can you take this and okay, just give me this. I will see it in the Google.
Oh.
Cannot find class in
Okay.
class path. So it is not able to find the class.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, Aarti. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Aarti. Oh, sorry for your wasting your time with
No,
us,
no,
Aarti.
no. This is somewhere I have. This is normal errors only, but we have to sit and see.
Ati, actually,
I
when
got
I
totally
created,
diverted. Okay. Yeah.
actually, when I created Java, Maven project, I
Mm.
have got a dot Java file saying app test.